Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore browser productivity using OneTab for Chrome sessions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Chrome browser. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type OneTab. Press enter to search. Locate the OneTab extension in the results. Click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Select Add Extension to install OneTab. Once installation is complete, find the OneTab icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the OneTab icon to open the extension. You will see all your currently open tabs consolidated into one list. To restore a specific tab, simply click on its name. To restore all tabs at once, select the Restore All option. If you want to save a session for later use, click Share as a web page. A new tab will open with a link to your saved session. Copy the link to save it or share it with others. To organize your tabs, you can create a new group by clicking Create a new group. Drag and drop tabs into this group to categorize them. You can also rename the group for better organization. For added convenience, use the search function within OneTab to find specific tabs quickly. Make it a habit to use OneTab regularly to maintain a clutter-free browser experience. Close and use tabs to keep your browser running smoothly. Adjust your OneTab settings for customizable features by right-clicking the OneTab icon. Explore options like setting a keyboard shortcut to speed up your workflow. With OneTab, you'll regain control over your browsing experience and boost productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.